Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Those issues that provoked the Nigerian Civil War between 1967 and 1970 are still very visible till today. Now that the president has drawn our attention to that civil war and how he participated in it, he has an opportunity since 2015 to be president and commander-in-chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Has he been able to address those issues, particularly as they have to do with forging inclusiveness in governance?
I just want to say that there have been killings all over the country, destruction of police posts, INEC offices, which are condemned strong with the strongest condemnation. Nobody has right to kill any police officer. Nobody has right to destroy INEC offices or police stations, because we are living with the consequences of those destructions everywhere now in Nigeria. All the killings that have happened in Zamfara, in Katsina, in Borno, in Yobe, the president has never come out to say we will deal with them in the language they understand. And that language we understand in Igbo land is the death of over 3 million Igbos. And that language we understand in Igbo land is starvation and hunger. That language we understand is that women were made childless and widows. That was the language we understand. The language we understand that every Igbo billionaire, you only got 20 pounds. That is the language we understand. The language we understand is that all the houses of Igbos in Rivers State, Port Harcourt, were seized. And all the properties of Igbos in the northern Nigeria were seized. The language we understand is that even people who some good Samaritans, northerners, saved in Kano and Adama were murdered by thieves in Benue State. That was the language we understood. And though the war ended in January 70, over 50 years ago, but the injustice still persists. Some people have tried to address those injustices in the previous presidents, but President Buhari have brought it to the fore by destroying the economies of Igbo land, Igbo people. Igbo people within 10 years after the war ended bounced back. Many Igbo people are not interested in political power. They're only interested in doing their business, making money, surviving, training their children. That's what they were. That's how they recovered after the war. When you killed over 3 million Igbos through hunger and starvation and through bullets, and you are rubbing it on their faces saying, I will take this to you, the language you understand. And you are the same president who have vehemently refused for Boko Haram to be declared a terrorist group. You have refused to fight it the way it should be fought. And when they brought mercenaries to dismantle Boko Haram, you said they are killing your people. Now you are taking this to Igbo land. And since January, since October, they have been killing by extrajudicial killing in Igbo land. He has treated the henchman killers all over the Africa that are trooping into Nigeria and killing people and maiming and raping women with a kid's groups. He has not done anything about it. The Boko Haram, they even have new trademark now. Has not. Borno State and Yobe is not sea safe. Then the home state of Mr. President, Katsina, people run away from their communities. They prefer ID camps than their homes because you are not safe. You will either be kidnapped, or bandits will come and kill the person. He has not done anything to stop insecurity in the country. And when they killed Benue people, President will call the governor and say, why not work with everybody? Is that the language to use? And now when there is insecurity in the southeast, I wanted to hear my president to say, I am going to deal with the criminal elements causing the mayhem in the southeast. I would take them out. I am going, you can't be a president, even a governor, a local government chairman should not stand and watch INEC offices being destroyed, police stations being destroyed. The last time I went for a burial in the southeast, this last May, I was afraid because before you used to see in every kilometer police checkpoint. We drove for a long time. We didn't see any police. I told my driver, something is not right here. Don't stop or don't, just they go till we reach Mbese. You know, this is the problem when I expected the president to deal with the criminals in the south, criminal elements in the southeast, the same way he would deal with criminal elements among the henchman killers. That's what I wanted. But he has not done that. The core problem of Nigeria is injustice, lack of fairness. When Obasanjo came to power, Obasanjo was the northern candidate. Yorubas, none of them voted for, many of them did not, majority did not vote for him. He didn't come and say 97% and 5%. He didn't say so. That's where he got it wrong, the president. Once you are voted into office, in order to have legitimacy, you have to carry everybody along.
Not a bad place to live in.
Everybody. And I'm saying that the injustice in Nigeria
has to be addressed.
Have to be addressed.
All right.